Welcome to our tutorial on how to find scheduled messages in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to accomplish this. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top left corner of your Gmail interface, locate and click on the main menu icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, find and click on More. This will expand additional options. Step 4. Among the options, locate and click on Scheduled. This will open a new tab displaying all your scheduled messages. By finding scheduled messages in Gmail, you can keep track of emails that you have composed but are set to be sent at a later time. This is a handy feature to manage your email communication effectively. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Stay organized and never miss a scheduled message with Gmail.